and today we are going to discuss the last topic in the 5th unit and also the semester also. And in this we are already discussing the data structures. Data structures, what are the data structures? Linked list and stack. And we are having the last concept, that is queues. Queues concept. It is also one of the linear data structure. It is also one of the kind of linear data structure. Linear data structure. And in this linear data structure, the queues are following the some basic concept, that is FIFO. That is FIFO concept. Whereas coming to stack, we are following the LIFO concept. Stack, where we are using stacks. Here we are using the LIFO. What is meant by LIFO? We are discussing LIFO means last in first out concept. Whereas coming to queues, here following the FIFO concept, the FIFO is nothing but first in first out. First in first out. First in first out means whereas the first element, which element should be first inserted in the queue, the first element that is outside removed from the same first outside. These are the queues are concept in the first in first out. First of all, inserting the values from the one end and removing the elements from the another end. Whereas coming to stack, here only one end can be used to inserting the values and deleting the values. Here using only one value. Here having the only one stack pointer. One stack pointer, that is top. Here stack has only one stack pointer, that is top, and the top is basically default -1, and the values are inserted from this side, and also values, the data elements are removed from also only one end. Here having only one end. One end. By means one way to the inserting and removing the same elements in the stack. Whereas coming to queues, here having the two ways. Two ways are two ends. Two ends. Here one end is used to insert the values. One end used to insert the value. That is nothing but array stack pointer. Array stack pointer. Sorry, queue pointer. The stack pointer is there. The array pointer is used to insert the elements into the queues. Insert the elements into the queues. That will be removed from the first. Whereas come to queues, here the two ends following the, here one is inserting the values, another end is used to removing the values, and the queues are following the basic concept, that is FIFO. That is FIFO. By means first in first out. Which element is inserting for the first, the element should be first removing the from the queue. That is the first in first out. Example of queues, here I can take the queues. I am not closing this because it is not started. When we are using to start, we are going to one end because of only one end can be used to insert the values and remove the values. Whereas coming to queue, here two ends. One is end and two end. Two ends are used here because of one is inserting, another one is removing. And here one I can take rare to use inserting, and friend stack pointer is used to remove the values, and rare point is used easy to insert the values. 10, I want to insert the values 10. The where point is here. And next one, I want to insert the values 20, and I can use where point is 1, that is another value inserting 20. And also I want to insert the 30 and stop pointer, that is positive to the 230. Here the values are inserting from one side, and I want to removing the values from this stack. Sorry, Q. I want to remove the values Q. Whereas we are following the first in first out. Here the first value inserting the value is 10, and it is first removed. Then the Q is following. The 10 will be removed after we have 20 and 30, and the stop point is here and the front is here. The next first out, the first 10 will be removed, and after one the insert in the 20, and next front ones will be Q's in the 20 will be eliminated or removed from the Q's. This should be concept following the Q's. And because of here the array concept is following in the Q's. Array concept is following the Q's. Because of array concept means array is nothing but the sequential allocation of the sequential or a continuous allocation of memory. The continuous allocation of memory. The continuous allocation of memory. That's why when we are removing this 10 element, because of the first element inserted in the 10 value, that's why the first element will be removed, that is 10. And after the removal of this 10 element, here the data address will not removed. Only the element will be removed from the queue, but not removing the address. Address value will not be removed from the queue. But whereas address will be here, but we cannot reuse the same address to the another data element. Okay, and this is the queues concept, and we are completing the semester. Thank you.